Okay, in this video we're going to do some arithmetic without using a calculator. So A says 507 plus 6,738. So just setting this out on paper. So just using a traditional method of adding. So we start on with the units. So 7 plus 8 will give me 15. So that's 5 carry the 1. And now we got 0 plus 3, which is 3, plus the 1. We need to take the one that we've carried over. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. There's nothing to carry over. 5 plus 7 is 12. So that will be 2 carry the 1. The 1 will go over here. And then finally we do 6 plus 1, which is 7,245. So we got 507 plus 6,738 is equal to 7,245. We should just check to see if the answer looks reasonable, which it does. B, subtraction. So we've got 3,827 minus 956. So we'll set it out here. Make sure you put the operation, what you're going to do, in the front here, like I did here with the addition. Right, so doing subtraction. So starting over on the right-hand side. So 7 take away 6 is 1. That's fine. Now 2 take away 5 we can't do. So we need to borrow 1 here from the 8. So we borrow 1 from the 8. Which leaves 7 there, and we now put the 1 in front of the 2, and now we do 12 take away 5, and 12 take away 5 gives me 7. Now we've got 7 take away 9, well we can't do that either, so we will need to borrow 1 from here. So we borrow 1 from the 3 to get 2, and we get put the 1 in front of the 7, so we now have to do 17 minus 9, which will give me 8. Nothing, and then 2 take away nothing will give me 2,871 as my final answer. Okay, short multiplication. So we've got 567 times 6. Again, putting the operation out in front. So the same idea. We just 6 times 7 is 42. So that's 2 carry the 4. 6 sixes are 36 plus the 4 makes 40, so it'll be 0 carry a 4, and then 5 sixes is 30 plus the 4, which is 34. So we got 567 times 6 is 3,402. Now some little tricks. If you're multiplying by like 10, 100 or 1,000, then you can just do this idea. To get 23, if we put a decimal point in, because we've got 3 zeros here, we just move the decimal point 3 times, adding in a 0 each time. So this becomes 23,000. And then if we've got something like 235 times 70, i.e. we have a 0 here, then this can be broken down like this. 235 times 7, put some brackets around it, and then multiply the whole thing by 10. So if we do this bit first, 5 sevens are 5 carry the 3. So I'm sort of doing this here in my head here. So 5 sevens is 35, so it's 5 carry the 3. 3 sevens is 21, plus the 3 makes 4 carry the 2. And then 2 sevens is 14, 15, 16. So we now got 1,645 times 10, and then we use this idea here by moving the decimal point 1 place and say that the final answer is 16,450. So this video has been about showing some techniques of basic addition, subtraction and multiplication, and then some things that you can use when multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1,000. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.